A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 6 of chapter 9 differential equation. So class, in previous lecture 5 or 4 I have discussed homogeneous function and a variable separable method. So now in today lecture I will start linear differential equation and the questions related to these topics. So now let us start with the linear differential equation. See, so topic is linear differential equation. A differential equation is said to be linear differential equation if a linear differential equation or differential equation is said to be linear differential equation if the differential coefficient of the differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, say dy by dx, and dependent variable y. Dependent variable y that should be in first degree or appear in first degree, or we can say appear only in first degree. Appear only in a first degree. This is the exact definition of linear differential equation. Any differential equation is said to be linear if the differential coefficient of dependent variable is y with respect to independent variable, that is dx, means dy by dx, and its dependent variable that is y appear only in first degree. Means which type of equation? That will be in a differential or linear differential equation format. See, example of differential equation. Suppose dy by dx plus xy is equal to, suppose any constant you can say, right? Suppose constant or a variable also, x cube. This is dependent, this is differential coefficient, odd degree is 1, power is 1. So this is linear differential equation. Second equation, x dy by dx. Suppose second example is, suppose x time dy by dx and plus, suppose you can say 2y is equal to x cube. This is also linear differential equation. Suppose any third example, dy by dx. Third example is dy by dx minus suppose y by x is equal to x square format. This is differential, linear differential format. And now fourth equation or fourth example, you can write that is dy by dx plus y by 2x plus y by 2x suppose, and that is equal to suppose 3x square or suppose 5x square. Now this is linear differential equation. Degrees or appear only in first degree. All equation, you see equation 1 2 3 4, degree is 1. So now this is the definition of differential, linear differential equation. Now see, now I will come to the next topic, method to solve the general solution of linear differential equation. So next heading is method of or method to solve solution of linear differential equation or solution of general solution of linear differential equation. See, now see, next heading is general solution of linear differential equation. General solution of linear differential equation. So this type of linear differential equation or this type of linear differential equation can be solved by multiplying a special type of factor. See, multiplying or multiplied by multiplied a special type of factor and this factor is known as integrating factor. By multiplied a special type of factor is known as integrating factor. Or integrating factor which type is denoted by this type of linear differential equation can be solved by multiplied a special type of factor is known as integrating factor, is denoted by IF, is denoted by IF, symbol is IF and defined by IF is equal to e to the power integration over p dx. IF is equal to integration over or e to the power integration over p dx, or IF is equal to e to the power integration over p dy. For different equations of the type, and different types I will discuss now. So this is the integrating factor. Means integrating factor is integrating factor that is equal to e to the power integration over p dx or e to the power integration over p dy. This is the integrating factor. Now suppose this integrating factor, I have to complete the definition. Integrating factor is known as denoted by IF, and IF there is two value, integration of e to the power integration of p dx, and integrating factor IF is equal to e to the power integration over p dy. Where we have to multiply? Where? On both the side of equation, and equation is dy by dx plus py is equal to q, or dx upon dy plus x or qx or rx is equal to s. Suppose I am writing here dx upon dy plus rx is equal to s respectively. And what is PQRS? PQRS is constant function of x and y. This is the constant function of PQ, is the constant function of x, and RS is the constant function of y. Function of y. So right, where PQ are function of x, you say are the function of y or x, are the function of x, and RS are the function of y. RS are the function of y. Now see, so this is the given information about PQRS. or you can write in constant format also, or constant, or constant. Or constant. Now this is complete. Solution of differential equation after multiplying this integrating factor. So now see, we are going to make a column, or now see, for the differential equation, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. You know, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is suppose first steps, and second step, what we have to do, where p and q, information p comma q are the function of x or constant. Now to solve this type of differential equation, you have to find out integrating factor, and for this equation integrating factor is e to the power integration over p dx. This is the integrating factor. Now in third step, we have to multiply this integrating factor on both sides of main equation. So when you will multiply integration e to the power p dx multiply by dy by dx plus y or py is equal to e to the power integration over p dx time q. We have multiplied. Now you will get this type of result. Then what you will see? You will see this expression, that is result of y times integration over, or you can write this is a steps, or we can write this step is d by dx of y times, this step is d by dx of y times e to the power integration over p dx. You will see these steps. It's a differentiation result, you will get this type of function, and this result copy here. So e to the power integration over p time dx time q. And now in next steps, what you will see? You will integrate this function, and after integration this derivative will cancel out, means antiderivative. After integration this result will be y times integration over e to the power p dx is equal to integration over e to the power integration over p dx time q. And now p dx time q. Now again see, now in next step you will see this is the integrating factor. So y times integrating factor is equal to, this is also integrating factor, integration over integrating factor into q, this is q, and now dx. So if times q into dx. So this is the format, and this is the required general solution. Required general solution. And now after integration you will get a constant, then this will be the result. Now see, plus c. After integration you will add a constant or arbitrary constant. Now result will be plus c. So for the equation, again for the equation dx upon dy plus rx is equal to s, and you know where r, capital R and s are the function of y or constant. Now in second step you will use integrating factor formula, that is integration over means e to the power integration over p dy. Here is p dx and here you will use p dy, and now this integrating factor we have to multiply on both sides of main equation. So e to the power integration over p dy times dx upon dy plus rx is equal to e to the power integration over p dy times s. We have multiplied. Now you will see this is the result of differentiation of y times integrating factor means e to the power p times dy. When you will integrate or differentiate, you will get the same result. Now again copy it, e to the power integration over p dy with s. Now when you will integrate again in this equation, then d by dx will cancel out. So result you will get y times e to the power p times dy is equal to integration over e to the power integration over p dy with s. And now dx, or you can use also dx here, because when you will integrate, after integration result will same. So you know this is y, this is y, here will be x, not y. This is x, so this is x. See here, here is some mistakes. So x time, this will be x time, this is integrating factor for this equation is equal to integration over, this is integrating factor I into f into s and dx, and after integration, you know, you will add arbitrary constant. This both equations, suppose this is 1 and this is 2, this both equation 1 and 2 are the general solution, means suppose this is equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 are the general solution of differential equation. Differential equation. Now this is completed. See, now I will come to the example how to solve the linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Now question number 1 is solve the differential equation dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 2x square, where x is greater than 0. Now given differential equation solution. Given differential equation, that is dy by dx, and this one we can write given equation plus y times or minus 1 by x time y is equal to 2x square. So this is of the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q format. Now when you will compare, you will get p is equal to 1 by x with negative sign and q is equal to 2x square. Now you have got the values p and q. P is equal to minus 1 by x and q is equal to 2x square. Now in second step, suppose this is equation 1. In second steps, what we have to do, first of all we have to find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e to the power integration over p dx for this differential equation. So its a result will be e to the power integration over, that is minus 1 by x and now dx, and you know its value is 1 by x dx integration is log of x. So integrating factor result is minus log of x, and you know e to the power log x value is 1, e to the power log of x result is x, and this steps also we can write e to the power log of 1 by x also. Now you know the formula e to the power log of x format result is x, so integrating factor result you will get x, its a result is x. So this is integrating factor. Now suppose this is equation 2. Now we have to multiply this integrating factor in the main equation. Suppose we are going to multiply, so result will be x time dy by dx minus or plus minus 1 by xy is equal to 2x cube. Now you will see after multiplying result is x time dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x cube. See, if any doubts please clear it. Suppose I have taken x square in denominator of left hand side, so this is the same result. Now what can you say about this function? This is the d by dx of y by x, you know, now is equal to 2x. Now you can integrate easily. So what will be the result after integration? After integration result will be y by x is equal to 2x dx, and 2x integration you know that is x square by 2, then x square by 2 and 2 will cancel out, result will be y is equal to x square plus c, and here is by x, y by x is equal to x square plus c. So calculation will be after calculation y will be equal to x cube plus cx. After taking LCM, y is equal to x cube plus cx, which is required general solution. Required general solution of linear differential equation. Now this is the solution. In similar way, you can use or you can solve many equation is of the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q format. Now this is complete.